Emergence of sociology in the West. Human beings have always been interested in knowing and thinking about their society. When we study the past history, we will find that sociological insights were found at that time. We can say that though this discipline does not have a long history, but it does have a long past. Some scholars trace the origin of sociology from economics of Kaudilya and politics of Aristotle. For example, the statement of Aristotle reflects that man is a political, that is social animal, sowed the seeds of sociology. Some others trace it to the writings of French scholars, especially Montesquieu, who offered a classification of societies, including the simplest ones of hunters and food gatherers. Thus we take help of classical writings when we want to understand an ancient society. However, one should make a distinction between taking interest in understanding society and its affairs and the study of society as a profession. Right from the beginning, human beings have been interested in understanding their society, but sociology as a subject emerged after the French Revolution of 1789. The French Revolution brought about a tremendous socio-political change in society, leading to a disruption of family life and other social relations. Against this background, some social thinkers of that time were concerned about building their society anew. One such thinker was Claude Henry de Saint-Simon. He said that for bringing about changes in society, we must first of all study it in all aspects so that we know where the problem actually lay. This line of reasoning was further developed by Saint-Simon's disciple Auguste Comte, who is also known as the father of sociology. Comte argued that the methods used in physics should be used for the study of society. Such a study would reveal the laws of evolution and the laws of the functioning of society. Once this knowledge was available, we would be able to build society scientifically.